So today I'll be sharing my God mode routine which allows me to be productive 100% of the time. So without wasting the time, let's begin. This is the routine and the app is not important. You can just use Google Calendar or something like that. But what is important is the concept. This is not the current week, this is the next week because today is 15th and this is starting from the 22nd of April. So it is week 17 of the year. And at first I have my study block. Now generally in this study block, what I do is I complete my first subject. In one day I complete two subjects. That means I study two subjects. So the first subject will be completed in this block. Now I won't be 100% productive in those 3 hours, but I will get all the work which are necessary done in that part of time. Now comes business work. Business work basically means making these videos. That time consists of me just writing the script, recording, editing, and all of this. What I generally do is I just start to record. As soon as the clock hits 12 p.m. I record the video, I finish the video, and while I am exporting the video, I would be reading a non-fiction book. Currently I am reading The Obstacle is the Way by Ryan Holiday. And once the exporting is finished, I will directly start writing the script for tomorrow's video. Let's say my exporting ends at 4 p.m. From 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. I will write the script of tomorrow's video so that I can directly go to recording instead of scripting next day. After that comes my workout schedule, and there is a picture attached to it because that time I take my progress pics which are on my PC and I'll probably show them to you once I get a jacked body. It will be a good storehouse of memories to look back. So after that I have my study block too, where I generally complete the second subject of the day, and after that the online work. Online work basically means uploading the video, scheduling, tags, title, and all of these things, and also researching different video topic, researching different things, searching some queries I have been having throughout the day, using social media, etc, etc. And after that, this is one of the hardest part because I generally want to sleep at 11 p.m. but what happens is from the last couple of days it has been going well over 12 a.m. I'm trying to get it back down to 11 p.m. again, but it's really taking so much of work to do that. Now why did not I schedule in lunch, dinner, breaks, etc, etc? Because there is no point in scheduling them, and I'll tell you why. The business block, right? I take my lunch about at 2 p.m. which is a very standardized time, and if I were to add a 15-minute block of time just for that lunch break, it will be weird. It will just mess up the entire look of the schedule. Now certainly I have scheduled in 5 hours of work. That does not mean I am doing 5 hours of work. It means that whenever I feel like I'm wasting time or I'm doing something else, I know that during this time I should be doing this task. Now I don't just keep the schedule like this. For example, during the study block, I will write down specifically my study goals. Similarly, in the business block, I have already pre-assigned things. For example, record, edit, script writing, newsletter writing, title, thumbnail, tags, chapters, anything else, reading while exporting, as I already said to you. What I do is I just take that block and just rename it to, for example, chemistry chapter 1, something like this. And this is not the end. What I do is if I am not able to complete that goal of mine, I just take that study block or whatever time of block it is, I just put the red mark over here. That means I did not complete the study block. For example, if I completed that business block, that means recording and publishing one video, then I will make it a green tick, I mean green color. This will tell me whether or not throughout the week I have been productive or not. And I also like to color code things to understand things better. For example, the study is gray block because it is something mandatory. The same applies to the business block of time, but I don't want it to be gray because I love variety. And that is why different blocks of time are having different color. The same routine goes on for all the weeks and all the months and all of this until and unless I delete them manually. For example, going here and deleting the events. Otherwise, they just continue, and the same with my life. I just remain more productive. Now it is not an app review, so I'm not going into all of the depths of all these features. But what I want you to understand is create such a schedule which is impossible for you to break. Not impossible for you to follow, but impossible for you to break. The benefit of scheduling is whenever you are doing some random things, you will be reminded that in this block of time you have scheduled yourself to do this task rather than wasting time. Most people have different softwares for goal setting, calendar, and all of this. What I do is I do everything in this software alone because it's easy to set the goals right here. For example, I take a study block and I can set the goal that complete lecture, something like that. So that was basically it about my God mode schedule, which allows me to be productive 100% of the time. even when I don't feel like it, even when I don't want it, even when I don't want to do the stuff, I just always get reminded that this current moment you have to do this task. For example, if I'm randomly just sitting there at about 4 p.m. and I have nothing to do because my video is exporting and all of this, I will be reminded that I have to read or I should read. Now in the outro, I will not say that hope you enjoyed, because it's not a video of enjoyment. So just go and take action and make a permanent schedule for you to follow until you achieve your goal. So start if you haven't already.